Hi, it's Alan here from Riley Real Estate. Welcome to our market update for Toowoomba for February 2026. Well, we're about 6 weeks into the year right now, and the market has certainly given us a clear indication of what we could see going forward, with a real surge in buyer inquiry to begin the year. We've had increased levels of inquiry via email and phone call, increased attendance to our open homes, and really good numbers of written offers coming through for all properties, which certainly indicates the market has started with real momentum to begin 2026. Two recent sales in Centenary Heights that we've been able to facilitate to begin the year really highlight this heightened activity. 17 Amanda Drive, we had over 50 inspections across 2 open homes and 9 written offers for that property. And then 33 Astor Street, we had 43 inspections across 2 open homes and 5 written offers for the property, with both homes going under contract within 7 days for prices above what was advertised and also above the seller's expectations. So 2 really good examples of what's happening in our local neighbourhood right now and the kind of buyer activity that is out there. With interest rates rising, however, in February, it's yet to be seen if that's going to have a really big impact on the marketplace. There will be some individual properties that may not get as much interest as you may expect, but I think really, given the supply and demand imbalance that we're seeing in the market right now, it's going to take more than one interest rate rise to have a really significant and noticeable impact on our marketplace. Demand really does continue to build throughout the month. A lot of our properties are getting really good inquiry, with lots of people booking in to come to our open homes in the coming week, and prices seemingly rising in step with that demand. Over the past 12 months, our local neighbourhood of Centenary Heights, South Toowoomba and Rangeville has seen really extraordinary growth, from 17 to 20% for those 3 suburbs year on year. And while we anticipated good price growth throughout 2025, that amount of growth certainly exceeded our expectations. Looking ahead, I think what happened through 2025 proves that no one has that crystal ball, and you can't really predict the exact level of growth or change that we might see throughout the rest of 2026. What we can see though is that the key fundamentals driving the growth through 2025 do remain, and that is high demand and relatively low supply in the marketplace. So in addition to that, the latest Heron Todd White property clock shows that the Toowoomba is still sitting at the peak of the market, and that's been the case for some time now. Heron Todd White releases their month in review each month, and that property clock has become a staple of those reviews for many years. Toowoomba has sat at the top, at the peak of the market, or at 12 o'clock if you like, for many months now, and probably even the last couple of years. In addition to that though, the influencing markets of Brisbane, the Gold and the Sunshine Coast are either in rising markets or approaching the peak. So those influencing markets, why are they important? It's because a lot of buyers come from those areas to our marketplace. Either they sell and move up here, or they decide to invest here, but also seeing as those markets grow, that people are turning away from there and coming here because of the value proposition that exists in comparison to those areas. So it's a much more affordable choice to come here, whether it's for investing or to live. So with those markets rising or approaching the peak and us sitting at the peak, it indicates that it's going to be a very strong year, a very prosperous year for Toowoomba homeowners and sellers. And for buyers, it's an equally clear message that the sooner you act and get into the market, whether you're looking to invest, upsize, downsize, or buy a first home, the sooner you do that, the better off you'll be as prices continue to grow throughout 2026. That's our market update for February this year. Thanks very much for watching. I hope that's been of some value for you. As always, if we can be of service, please reach out. Have a great month, and we look forward to bringing you our update again next month. Cheers.